and make it a little bit less harsh. One item you can use is aloe. I previously used these plants for sunscreen. They've just been sitting around waiting for another use. People are not hoarding these. Still available at the grocery store last I checked. To actually harvest it, just gotta cut it open, scrape it out, and it's just the contents of the leaves. Kind of cool. Gooey. Plant boogers. Gooey. Ethanol. We have our aloe. And I'm just gonna throw in a lime just to add a little bit of scent and flavor to, not flavor, do not drink this, scent, so you don't smell like an alcoholic. Make it a little bit more pleasant. And then I'm gonna mix them all together. I'm gonna do it at exact ratio so we can stay above the 70% alcohol, so it can still be an effective disinfectant. So we got about 179 grams of ethanol, roughly 75% alcohol. And then we have some aloe, so add maybe 9 grams, and just a little bit of lime, and we'll make a mixed drink that you do not drink. Just a hint of lime. From one 12-pack of Corona, produced 1 bottle of hand sanitizer. And in most situations, this is a very ineffective and expensive way to do it. But with the shortages, actually could be cheaper. I mean, a 12-pack hand sanitizer has been going for up to like $65, $75, $85. So in this unique situation we are in right now, this is actually a cheaper way to produce it. That being said, it's not really recommended to actually do this because it's both illegal and dangerous. World Health Organization actually has a document explaining the proper ratios to add to it. They also add things like hydrogen peroxide and glycerin, which help improve both as disinfectant and as a hand feel. Could have added glycerin. It is something I have made in the past during our soap video, but opted not to because we had the aloe.
I made a paper towel.
So we got one made, hypothetically, in fact, possible to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this. At this point, we've all heard a lot about this virus. It's had a very large impact on our lives. So this is probably gonna be the only video we do that's directly relevant to the actual coronavirus outbreak. At this point, we're all kind of probably getting a little tired of all the coronavirus. It's like the only thing you can talk about. So moving forward, going back to our main series, highly recommend you subscribe and check them out. It's a great thing to watch while you're self-quarantine. And we're just gonna keep on producing videos for as long as we can. Hopefully everybody can enjoy this. Stay calm, wash your hands, and thanks for watching.